morning, kids.
Good morning, kids.
How are you all?
They all are fit, fine and cheerful.
Perfect. So, kids, here is your Lavina, ma'am.
And here is your Ishneet, ma'am.
So, kids, are you all ready to start your day with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So, first of all, stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, start Namokar mantra. Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ariyanam, Namo Uvajhayanam, Namo Lohe Savya Sahunam, Eso Panch Namokaro Savya Papanasano, Manglaram Che Savya Singh, Paramamahavai Mangalam. Start Guru Mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwarai, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Continue with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurбhuvasvaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya. Open your eyes, hands down. So kids, are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So kids, first of all, tell us what is the date today?
Today is 19th January 2021.
Today is 19th January 2021.
And what is the day today?
Today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday.
Yes, so kids, you remember what we did in our last class?
Yes, kids, we did means of transport.
Yes, we did means of transport.
So, ma'am, what are means of transport?
Means by which people travel and goods are carried from one place to another.
Alright, kids, ऐसे means ऐसे vehicles जिनमें people travel करते हैं one place to another place and goods ले जाए जाते हैं from one place to another place.
These are known as
means of transport.
Yes, and kids, means of transport कौन से होते हैं? Like car, bus, aeroplane, helicopter, ship, boat, truck, train. These are known as means of transport.
Alright, kids, what were these?
These were means of transport.
Ma'am, what are means of transport?
Means by which people travel and goods are carried from one place to another.
Alright, kids, ऐसे vehicles जिनमें people travel करते हैं from one place to another place and goods ले जाए जाती हैं from one place to another place.
These are known as means of transport. And kids, you know there are 3 types of means of transport. Okay? Land transport, water transport, and air transport. So kids, today we are going to revise land transport.
Okay, kids, so we did land transport in our previous class.
Yes.
Now today we are going to revise it once again.
Yes.
Now, what is land transport?
Vehicles that move on land are known as land transport.
Alright, kids, ऐसे vehicles जो land पे चलते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं land transport.
Yes, like car, bus, truck, motorbike, bicycle, etc. These are known as land transport.
Alright,
Okay,
kids. So we did land transport.
Yes.
And now we'll revise it once again.
Yes, now kids, we'll quickly revise them. So see kids, which land transport is this?
This is a jeep. Alright, kids, this is a jeep.
Yes, it is a land transport.
So kids, आपने देखा है ना जीप कहाँ चलती है? लैंड पे चलती है ना?
Yes.
That's why it is a land transport.
Yes, and kids, how many wheels are there in a jeep?
A jeep has 4 wheels.
Yes, a jeep has 4 wheels. Okay, kids. And see, kids, some jeeps are open and some are closed.
Okay, kids, आपने देखा है ना? कुछ जीप ओपन होती है and कुछ जीप क्लोज होती है.
Yes, and हम जीप्स को किस लिए यूज कर सकते हैं? जीप्स आर यूज फॉर मिलिट्री purposes.
Okay, kids, jeeps are used for military and safari purposes. So आपने
Yes.
देखा है ना आर्मी ऑफिसर्स जा रहे होते हैं जीप में, तो वो कौन सी
Yes.
जीप में जाते हैं?
Military jeeps.
ओके किड्स, एंड जब हम किसी एडवेंचरस पार्क में जाते हैं, ओपन पार्क में जाते हैं घूमने के लिए, वहाँ पे
Yes.
कौन सी जीप यूज होती है?
Safari jeeps.
Okay,
Okay,
and
kids.
jeep runs with the help of.
Of petrol and diesel.
All right, kids. So which vehicle is this?
This is a jeep.
This is a jeep.
It is a land transport.
It is the land transport.
And it has 4 wheels.
And it has 4 wheels.
Okay, kids.
Now see the next land transport.
Yes, which land transport is this?
Yes, see which vehicle is this?
This
is a truck.
This is a truck. Okay, kids. So which vehicle is this?
This is a truck.
And it has many wheels.
किड्स आपने देखा है ना, ट्रक छोटे भी होते हैं और बड़े भी होते हैं साइज में।
Yes.
तो इनके कितने व्हील्स होते हैं? Many wheels.
बहुत सारे व्हील्स होते हैं। एंड किड्स, हम ट्रक को किस लिए यूज करते हैं? ट्रक इज यूज्ड फॉर कैरिंग हेवी लोड्स, हेवी गुड्स।
ऑलराइट किड्स, जो बहुत भारी भारी गुड्स होते हैं ना, हेवी आर्टिकल्स, उन्हें हम कहाँ से वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस लेके जाते हैं? विद द
हेल्प ऑफ ट्रक।
Okay,
Okay, kids. So which land transport is this?
This is a truck.
This is a truck and it has many wheels.
It has many wheels.
Okay, kids.
Okay, now see the next land transport.
Yes, which land transport is this?
This is a motorbike.
Yes, this is a motorbike. And see, kids, how many wheels are there in a motorbike?
A motorbike has 2 wheels.
Yes, a motorbike has 2 wheels.
That's why we call it a two-wheeler.
Yes, it is also called a two-wheeler. And kids, हम ड्राइव करते हैं ना मोटर बाइक। कौन चलाता है मोटर बाइक?
Yes, kids. हमारे पेरेंट्स चलाते हैं ना मोटर
Yes.
सो आपने देखा होगा ना, जब भी हम मोटर बाइक ड्राइव करते हैं तो हमें क्या पहनना जरूरी होता है?
Helmet. Okay, kids.
So for our safety, we should always wear helmet while traveling on a
Motorbike. And kids, it runs with the help of petrol.
All right, kids. मोटरबाइक किसकी हेल्प से चलती है? With the
help
of petrol.
Yes, so kids, which land transport is this?
This is a motorbike.
This is the motorbike.
It has 2 wheels.
It has 2 wheels.
All right, kids.
Now,
See the next land transport.
now see, kids, which land transport is this?
This is a bullock cart.
This is the bullock cart. And kids, how many wheels are there in a bullock cart?
Yes, kids. A bullock cart has 2 to 4 wheels.
Yes, a bullock cart has 2 to 4 wheels. And we carry lots and lots of goods in a bullock cart.
Okay, kids. So हम bullock cart में क्या carry करते हैं? Goods carry करते हैं. इसमें goods ले जाए जाते हैं from one place to another place.
Yes, और इनको हम कहाँ देखते हैं? We found it in our villages.
Okay, kids. आपने देखा होगा ना, जब आप
Yes.
जाते हैं, गाँव में जाते हैं, तो वहाँ पे कितने सारे bullock cart होते हैं. Okay,
Yes.
kids. So a bullock cart is pulled by an oxen.
Okay, kids, so which land transport is this?
This is a bullock cart.
This is the bullock cart and it has 2 to 4 wheels.
It has 2 to 4 wheels.
Okay, kids, now see.
Now see the next land transport. Okay, now see.
What are these? These are
Trains.
These are trains. And kids, train कहाँ चलती है? On a rail track.
Okay, kids, train कहाँ चलती है? On a rail track.
Yes, and kids, there are 2 types of trains.
Okay, kids, train कितने तरीके की होती है? There are 2 types of train.
Yes,
One is
goods train
goods train
and passengers train.
and passengers train.
So see kids, which train is this?
Yes, kids, this is a passenger's train.
This is the passengers train. And kids, इसमें क्या होता है? Passengers travel करते हैं from one place to another.
All right, kids, passengers train में कौन travel करते हैं? Passengers travel करते हैं from one place to another place.
Yes, and see kids, which train is this?
This is a goods train.
This is a goods train. इस ट्रेन में क्या होता है? Goods are carried from one place to another.
Okay, kids, goods train में goods ले जाए जाते हैं from one place to another place.
Yes, and kids, ट्रेन में कितने wheels होते हैं? A train has many wheels.
Okay, kids, train में बहुत सारे wheels होते हैं. And आपने
Yes,
देखा है ना ट्रेन के आगे क्या लगा हुआ होता है?
engine.
Okay, so a train runs with the help of.
Engine. Okay, kids. So kids, what were these?
These were land transport.
These were land transport.
And kids, now we'll do water transport.
Yes. So what is water transport?
Vehicles that moves through the water are known as water transport.
Yes, vehicles जो कि पानी पे चलते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं
Water transport. और
Yes.
ऐसे vehicles जो कहाँ चलते हैं?
पानी
में
में
चलते हैं. उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं?
water transport
For
like
example,
ship,
ship,
boat
boat,
and yacht.
and yacht.
So kids, what are these?
These are water transport.
These are water transport.
So, ma'am, what is water transport?
Vehicles that move through the water are known as water transport.
Okay, kids, ऐसे vehicles जो कहाँ चलते हैं? जो पानी में चलते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Water transport. Okay,
All right.
kids.
Now see the first water transport.
Now see which water transport is this?
This is a ship.
This is a ship. And kids, it is a water transport.
It is a water transport. Ship कहाँ
Yeah.
चलती है? पानी में चलती है ना? So
yes.
it's a water transport.
Yes, and see kids, it is a large sized vehicle.
कि kids आपने देखा है ना ship size में कितनी बड़ी होती है.
Yes, and goods are carried and passengers travel in the ship.
Okay, kids, so ship में goods भी ले जाए जाते हैं one place to another place and passengers भी travel करते हैं from one place to another place.
Yes, and ship moves all over the world.
Okay, kids, ship पूरे world में घूमती है. जितने भी oceans होते हैं, seas होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे आप कौन सा vehicle देखते हैं?
Ship. And kids, who rides the ship? Who steers the ship?
A helmsman steers the ship.
Yes, ship कौन चलाता है? A
Helmsman.
helmsman.
All right,
Okay.
kids, so ship कौन चलाता है?
Helmsman. Okay, kids. So, which water transport is this?
This is a ship.
This is a ship. And ship is a large size vehicle.
Okay, kids, ship size में बहुत बड़ा होता है.
Yes.
All right.
Right.
Now see the next water transport.
Yes. Now see. Which water transport is this?
This is a boat.
This is a boat. And kids, boat is a water transport.
Okay, kids, boat भी क्या है? एक water transport.
Yes. And kids, it is a small sized vehicle.
Okay, kids, boat कैसी होती है size में? छोटी
छोटी.
होती है ना? It is
Yes.
smaller than a ship.
Ship.
ये ship से size में छोटी होती है.
We use it for riding in lakes and ponds.
ये kids आपने देखा होगा ना जब आप लेक पे जाते हैं या पोर्ट साइड जाते हैं तो आपने लेक साइड में देखा होगा ना वहाँ पे क्या होते हैं?
Yes.
वहाँ पे बहुत सारी बोट्स होती है ना और हम बोट्स को क्या करते हैं? राइड करते हैं.
Yes. And kids, what we use? We use oars to ride a boat.
So kids आपने देखा है ना जब बोट चलाने के लिए हम क्या यूज
Yes.
करते हैं? हम ओर्स यूज करते हैं बोट चलाने के लिए.
To ride a boat. Okay, kids. So, which water transport is this?
This is a boat.
This is a boat.
All right, kids. Now see the next water transport.
Now, see which water transport is this?
This is a yacht.
This is a yacht. And kids, it is a medium-sized boat.
Okay kids, yacht कैसी होती है size में? Medium size boat.
Yes, and kids, हम yacht को और क्या बोलते हैं? It is also known as a motorboat.
और sailing boat. बोट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? yacht को motorboat and sailing boat.
It is used for racing and sailing.
ओके किड्स, तो हम yacht कहाँ यूज करते हैं? जब हम रेसिंग करनी होती है, हम बीच साइड जाते हैं ना, तो हमने वहाँ देखा होगा कि वहाँ पे कौन सी बोट होती है?
Yacht.
Okay, so yacht is used for sailing and racing purposes.
Yes.
Okay, इसे हम sail भी करते हैं with the help of
Oars. Okay, kids. So which water transport is this?
this is a yacht.
This is a yacht. Okay,
And it is a water transport.
It is a water transport.
All right,
Okay.
kids. So what we have done?
We have done water transport.
All right. And now we'll do air transport.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is air transport?
Vehicles that move through the air are known as air transport.
Okay, kids. ऐसे vehicles जो कहाँ चलते हैं, जो air में चलते हैं, उन्हें हम बोलते हैं
Air transport.
for example
Aeroplane,
aeroplane,
helicopter.
helicopter.
These are
Air transport.
yes. And what is air transport?
Vehicles that moves through the air are known as air transport.
Yes. See, kids. Wow. What is this?
This is an aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane. An aeroplane is a
air transport.
yes. And kids, so many passengers can travel in an aeroplane at one time.
कि kids आपने देखा है ना एरोप्लेन साइज में कितना बड़ा होता है, तो उसमें
Yes.
बहुत सारे पैसेंजर्स ट्रैवल कर सकते हैं at one time.
Yes. And kids, who drives it? A pilot.
A pilot runs an aeroplane.
Yes. And see, kids, aeroplane has two
तो
wings.
देखा है ना kids, एरोप्लेन के कितने विंग्स होते हैं? An aeroplane has
Two wings. And kids, हम aeroplane को कहाँ देखते हैं?
we see airplanes in the airport. आप
Yes.
जाते हैं ना एयरपोर्ट, तो आपने देखा होगा वहाँ पे कितने सारे एयरप्लेन्स होते हैं.
Yes. So kids, which air transport is this?
This is an aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane. Okay, kids. Now
See the next air transport.
Oh, which air transport is this?
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter. And helicopter is a
Air transport.
yes, helicopter is an air transport.
So kids, it is a flying machine. ये भी कहाँ fly करते हैं?
Air में. And kids, like aeroplane, helicopter don't have wings.
Kids, आपने देखा है ना एरोप्लेन में two wings होते हैं, लेकिन
Yes.
हेलीकॉप्टर में wings
नहीं होते हैं. It flies with the plate called rotors.
So kids, ये जो हेलीकॉप्टर के ऊपर जो होते हैं ना ये blades, इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? Rotors. और ये इनकी
Yes.
हेल्प से फ्लाई करते हैं.
And rotors कैसे move करते हैं? Round and round. Okay, kids. And helicopter is also known as chopper and fighter jet.
Okay kids, so हम हेलीकॉप्टर को और क्या बोलते हैं? Chopper and fighter jet.
Yes. So which air transport is this?
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter. Okay, kids. So kids, what we have done?
We have done air transport.
Yes. And what else we did? We did water transport.
All right, kids. So हमने
Yes.
3 types of means of transport complete किए ना आज. I
Yes.
hope आप सबको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आया होगा.
Yes, ma'am. Our kids are very intelligent. So
Okay,
kids,
kids, now we'll see their spellings.
spellings. We'll learn their spellings. Now
All right,
see.
so you all have to speak with ma'am.
Yes. Now see the first water transport.
Yes, now see the first water transport.
Which water transport is this?
This is a ship.
This is a ship. And kids, what is the spelling of ship? Speak with ma'am. S
S
H
H
I
I
P
P
SHIP ship.
SHIP ship.
Okay, kids, what is the spelling of ship? S-H-I-P, ship.
S-H-I-P, ship.
Okay, now see the next water transport. See, kids, which water transport is this?
This is a boat.
This is a boat. And what is the spelling of boat? Speak with ma'am. B
B
O
O
A
A
T.
T.
B-O-A-T, boat.
B-O-A-T, boat.
And kids, what is the spelling of boat? B-O-A-T, boat.
B-O-A-T, boat.
Very good. Now, see the next water transport. Which water transport is this?
This is a yacht.
This is a yacht. And kids, what is the spelling of yacht? Speak with ma'am. Y
Y
A
A
C
C
H
H
T.
T.
Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Kids, what is the spelling of yacht? Speak with ma'am. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Y-A-C-H-T, yacht.
Very good. Now see the next transport. Now see, kids, which air transport is this?
This is an aeroplane.
This is an aeroplane. And what is the spelling of aeroplane? A
A
E
E
R
R
O
O
aero
arrow
plane.
plane.
P
P
L
L
A
A
N
N
E
E
aeroplane.
aeroplane.
Kids, what is the spelling of aeroplane? Speak with ma'am. A-E-R-O aero.
A-E-R-O arrow.
P-L-A-N-E plane.
P-L-A-N-E plane.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Okay, kids. A-E-R-O aero.
A-E-R-O arrow.
P-L-A-N-E plane.
P-L-A-N-E plane.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane.
Very good. Now see, kids. See the next air transport.
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter. And what is the spelling of helicopter? Speak with ma'am. H
H
E
E
L
L
I
I
C
C
O
O
P
P
T
T
E
E
R.
R.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
So kids, what is the spelling of helicopter? H-E-L-I heli.
H-E-L-I heli.
C-O-P-T-E-R copter.
C-O-P-T-E-R copter.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R helicopter.
H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R helicopter.
Okay, kids, and helicopter is a
Flying machine.
yes,
It's a
air transport. Okay, kids. So, kids, what we have done?
We have done the spellings of water and air transport.
Okay, kids. So, kids, हमें घर पे भी बहुत अच्छे से practice करनी है इनकी.
Yes,
okay?
ma'am. They're very good kids. ये बहुत अच्छे से practice करेंगे. So, I
Yes.
guess, ma'am, अब सबको आ गए होंगे ना means of transport.
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you all
Yes.
ready, kids? Now, ma'am is going to ask you some questions.
Yes. Okay, now, kids.
Yes, who's
Now-
going to tell us?
Now, see.
Yes,
Which water transport is this?
yes, raise your hand. Who is going to answer?
Yes, see, kids. Which water transport is this? Yes, Manya. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, which water transport is this?
Their ship.
Very good.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Okay, now,
Now,
see
see.
the next vehicle. Yes,
Now-
who's going to tell us which transport is this?
Yes, Anika Pandey, unmute yourself.
Auto.
Yes, beta, and auto is a which transport?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
And auto is a land transport.
Land transport.
Land.
Okay, yes,
Very
very good, very
Now,
nice.
see the next vehicle.
Yes, now see. Now see, which land transport is this? Who is going to answer? Raise your hand. Yes, Avya, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning.
Which land transport is this?
It's like
Truck, very good. This is a truck.
Very nice.
Very
Now,
nice.
Who is going to tell us which air transport is this?
Yes, raise your hand. Yes. Yes, Anaya Khandelwal, unmute yourself. Good morning. Yes, beta, which air transport is this?
Very
Good, very nice.
All right. Now
Wow.
see which land transport is this? Who is going to answer? Raise your hand.
Yes, Tupil, unmute yourself.
बताओ ये कर दिया ना रेज है अब करो अब बताओ तो किस चीज से साइकिल अच्छा ठीक है फिर तो बता दे
Yes, beta,
बताओ.
which land transport is this?
साइकिल
Bicycle. This is a bicycle. Very good.
Okay,
Now
now
see.
see the next land transport. Who is going to tell us which land
Yes.
transport is this? Raise your hand.
Yes.
Devansh, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Which land transport is this?
Bus.
Very good. Very good. Okay, now kids, which vehicle runs on track?
Okay, now, yes, who is going to answer?
Which
Raise your
vehicle?
hand.
Yes, Drona, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, which vehicle runs on track, on rail track?
This is a train.
Train. Very good.
nice.
Very nice.
Yes, now the next question is name one vehicle that flies in the sky. Raise your hand.
Raise your
Who's
hand.
going to answer?
Yeah.
Khyati Natani, please unmute yourself.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, beta. Which vehicle runs in the air?
मैम क्या बोल रही एयर में कौन फ्लाई करता
Me.
एरोप्लेन
Aeroplane.
बोलो
Very good.
Very nice.
Aeroplane. Yes.
Okay, now see
Okay, now which
which
land?
land transport is this?
Who is going to tell us? Raise your hand. Yes.
Arvita, please unmute yourself.
Yes, beta. Which land transport is this? Bullock cart. This
Very
is a bullock
good.
cart. Very nice. Wow, kids, you know everything. Very
Yes.
good.
Very nice, kids.
Okay, now very good. So, kids, what we have done today?
We have done means of
Transport. We revised land transport. And what else we have done? We have done water transport and air transport. Okay, kids. So now, wow, I have two chocolates. आज तो मुझे मम्मा ने two chocolates दी हैं. Wow, I have 6 candies. My favorite candies. मम्मा ने मुझे 6 candies दी हैं. Wow.
और मम्मा ने मुझे बोला है कि आपको अपनी चॉकलेट अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करनी है, सो मैं अपनी चॉकलेट्स अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करूंगी।
मेरी तो ये फेवरेट कैंडीज है, इसलिए मैं ये आई नॉट शेयर विद एनीवन, मैं किसी के साथ भी शेयर नहीं करूंगी। वाओ, यमी कैंडीज। Excuse me?
Yes.
Hi.
Hello.
See, I have 6 candies.
Oh wow, ये तो पता है तुम्हें मेरी फेवरेट कैंडीज है।
Oh.
Can you please give me one?
No. I said I'll not share with anyone. मैं किसी के साथ भी शेयर नहीं करूंगी।
Okay. बट मम्मा ने तो मुझे बोला है कि आपको अपनी चॉकलेट्स अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करनी है, इसलिए ये मैं अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करूंगी। Excuse me?
Yes.
See, I have two chocolates.
Wow, chocolates.
Yes, and you know, मम्मा ने मुझे बोला है कि आपको अपनी चॉकलेट्स अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करनी है, so ये मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी। Can you please take one?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
ओह, इन्होंने तो अपनी चॉकलेट्स शेयर की, पर मैंने अपनी कैंडीज तो शेयर ही नहीं की। ओके, एक्सक्यूज मी।
Yes.
आई एम रियली सॉरी। आपने अपनी चॉकलेट मेरे साथ शेयर की, पर मैंने अपनी कैंडीज तो आपके साथ शेयर ही नहीं की। आई एम सो सॉरी।
It's okay.
यू कैन टेक वन कैंडी।
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, kids. So, kids, हमने क्या देखा? We have seen golden words.
All right, kids, हमें देखे ना अभी so many golden words.
Yes, हमने कौन से golden words देखे? Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please.
Please.
And sorry.
And sorry.
So, kids, what are these?
These are golden words.
These are golden words. Okay, kids. Okay, and when do we use excuse me?
So, kids, we use excuse me when we want to seek attention.
Yes, हम excuse me कब use करते हैं? जब हमें किसी की attention चाहिए होती है. Then we
Okay.
use excuse me.
Okay, kids. So, हम excuse me कब use करते हैं? When we want to seek attention.
Yes, जब हमें किसी की attention चाहिए होती है, we use excuse me. Okay, now see, when do we use thank you?
So, we use thank you when someone helps us.
Yes, हम thank you कब use करते हैं? जब कोई हमारी help करता है, जब कोई हमारे साथ अपनी चीजें, अपनी थिंग्स शेयर करता है, तब हम क्या बोलते हैं? थैंक यू।
ओके किड्स, हम थैंक यू कब यूज करते हैं? जब कोई हमारी हेल्प करता है और अपनी थिंग्स हमारे साथ शेयर करता है।
देन वी से थैंक यू। ओके, नाउ सी, व्हेन डू वी यूज प्लीज?
We use please when we want something from someone.
जब हमें कुछ चीज चाहिए होती है या हमें किसी से कुछ चाहिए होता है, तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं?
Please. Okay,
use,
kids, जब
yes.
हमें किसी से कुछ चाहिए होता है, जब हम उन्हें रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं?
We use please. And kids, when do we use sorry?
We use sorry when we hurt someone.
Yes, जब kids हम किसी को चोट पहुंचाते हैं, तब हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Sorry.
Okay,
किड्स, जब हम कुछ गलत करते हैं ना, जब हमें रिग्रेट होता है कि हमने कुछ गलत किया है, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Sorry. Okay, kids. So what are these?
These are golden words.
These are golden words or magical words.
Okay,
Kids.
kids, so हमें अपनी लाइफ में, अपनी डेली लाइफ में ये गोल्डन वर्ड्स, ये मैजिकल वर्ड्स यूज करने चाहिए।
Okay, kids. So now we'll do a rhyme
On golden words. So are you all ready?
Yes. So a title of our rhyme is Golden Words. We say thank you. We say please.
We say thank you. We say please.
And excuse me when we sneeze.
And excuse me when we sneeze.
That's the way
That's the way
we do what's right.
we do what's right.
We have manners.
We have manners.
We are polite.
We are polite.
Yes, yay! So kids, we did a rhyme on golden words.
Okay kids, so हमने golden words पे क्या किया? आज एक rhyme भी की ना?
Yes.
So kids, हमें इन golden words को, इन magical words को अपनी life में use करना चाहिए, okay?
Yes. Okay, kids. So kids, tomorrow is Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti.
So kids, आपको पता है कल क्या है? कल गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जयंती है.
Yes, and kids, you know who was Guru Gobind Singh Ji?
Yes kids, Guru Gobind Singh Ji was the 10th Guru of Sikhs.
Yes, Guru Gobind Singh जी कौन थे? 10 सिखों के 10वें गुरु थे सारे सिखों के.
Okay kids, Guru Gobind Singh Ji कौन थे? He was the 10th Guru of Sikhs.
Yes, and kids, what were his teaching?
So kids, you know उन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी चीजें सिखाई हैं जो हमें अपनी लाइफ में फॉलो करनी चाहिए. First of all, he teaches us to always speak truth.
Yes, उन्होंने हमें क्या सिखाया था कि हमें हमेशा सच बोलना चाहिए.
All right, kids, we should always follow the path of truth. हमें हमेशा सच्चाई के रास्ते पे चलना चाहिए. And
Okay.
kids, we should share our meals with needy people.
Yes, kids, हम कितने blessed है ना कि हमारे पास सब कुछ है. So इसलिए हमें अपना मील, हमें अपना खाना किनके साथ शेयर करना चाहिए?
Needy people के साथ. Okay, kids, so हम बहुत blessed है ना that we have food to eat, we have shelter to live. इसलिए हमें
Yes.
अपना food needy people के साथ share करना चाहिए.
किड्स, हमारे पास सब है ना, हम अच्छे घर में रहते हैं, हम अच्छा खाना खाते हैं, इसलिए हमें अपना खाना किनके साथ शेयर करना चाहिए?
Needy people के साथ. और हमें उनकी help भी करनी चाहिए. Okay, kids, we should donate 1/10 part of our earnings to needy people.
यस किड्स, हम जो भी कमाते हैं ना, जो भी हमारी अर्निंग्स है, उसका 10% हमें नीडी पीपल को डोनेट करना चाहिए.
All right, kids, ताकि उनकी भी लाइफ बेटर हो जाए, वो भी अपनी लाइफ में बेटर
Yes.
ग्रो करें. Okay, so हमें उनकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. एंड हमें हमेशा सच बोलना चाहिए. All right,
All
kids.
right, kids. So kids, tomorrow is Guru
Guru
Gobind
Gobind
Singh
Singh
Jayanti.
All right, kids.
Yes, so kids, what we have done?
Today we have done means of transport.
Yes, और हमने कौन से means of transport किए?
We have done land transport,
Land transport,
water transport,
water transport,
and air transport.
and air transport.
And आज kids हमने water and air transport की spellings भी की ना?
Yes, and kids, what else we did? We did golden words or magical words.
Okay, kids, so today we did golden words or magical words.
And kids,
And then-
कौन से होते हैं golden words? Excuse me,
Excuse me,
sorry,
sorry,
please,
please,
and thank you.
and thank you.
What are these? These
These
are
are golden words.
or magical words. Okay,
And then
kids.
kids, we did a rhyme on golden words or
Magical words. Okay, kids. So kids, हमें घर पे बहुत अच्छे से सबकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है
और
और
बहुत सारी पढ़ाई करनी है. Okay, kids.
और हमें गोल्डन वर्ड्स, मैजिकल वर्ड्स हमेशा फॉलो करने हैं, हमेशा बोलने अपनी डेली लाइफ में.
Okay, kids. And गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी ने जो हमें टीचिंग्स दी है ना, वो भी हमें अपनी लाइफ में फॉलो करनी है.
सो किड्स, ये हमारी कौन सी क्लासेस चल रही हैं?
ये हमारी लाइव क्लासेस चल रही हैं.
एंड आप हमारी रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस को स्कूल व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे जो आपको लिंक शेयर होता है उसे ओपन करके देख सकते हैं या फिर स्कूल यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी देख सकते हैं.
All right, kids, you
Yes,
can like and subscribe the school YouTube channel
For regular updates. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.